Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Investors.com offers a powerful product called MarketSmith. This sophisticated platform empowers investors with comprehensive stock research and analysis tools designed to help them identify winning stocks and maximize their investment returns. MarketSmith provides a wealth of resources, including in-depth fundamental and technical data, charting capabilities, and personalized stock screens. These tools allow investors to conduct thorough research and make informed decisions based on proven methodologies. MarketSmith is built on the ConSlim investing system, a time-tested strategy developed by William J. O'Neill, founder of Investors Business Daily. This system focuses on identifying companies with strong earnings growth, innovative products or services, and positive market momentum. Subscribers gain access to exclusive features such as proprietary ratings and rankings, detailed company profiles, and expert market commentary. They can also track their portfolio performance and receive real-time alerts on potential buy or sell opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, MarketSmith can provide you with the edge you need to succeed in the stock market. The platform offers different subscription options to fit various needs and budgets. For those interested in exploring MarketSmith's capabilities, a free trial is available. This trial allows potential subscribers to experience the platform's full functionality and determine if it's the right tool for their investment journey. It's a comprehensive resource that combines powerful analytical tools with a proven investment strategy. By leveraging the insights and resources provided by MarketSmith, investors can potentially improve their investment outcomes and navigate the complexities of the stock market with greater confidence. So, if you're looking to enhance your investment research and decision-making process, be sure to check out MarketSmith by Investors.com. You can find a link to their website in the description below.